Here I have KIANO Elegance 4.0 and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using a home screen, tap Phone's dialer, let's activate the keypad and let's use the following secret code. At first let's open the testing menu, so let's use *#, *46 36 #*#*. As you can see, testing menu just pops up. Here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options. You can choose phone information, when you can read all specifications about your device, the email number, current network, signal strength, data service, data network type. You can also run a ping test and, for example, choose more key in order to select radio band, view SIM address book, view fixed dialing number, view service dialing number, get PDP leads or enable data connection. Let's go back. You can also choose usage statistics and read the statistics about your application. You can read the last time used or usage time. Let's go back. You can also choose Wi-Fi information and here you can select Wi-Fi API, when you can disable network, disconnect network, enable network, get configured networks or get connection info. So let's go back. You can also choose Wi-Fi config and if you have some configured networks, you will here see the full specification about them. Let's go back and this time let's choose the Wi-Fi status. Here you've got the statistics about your Wi-Fi, the network state, the Wi-Fi state. You can refresh all stats or run a ping test. Let's go back. Let me close the testing menu. And you can also open the calendar information. So let's use *#, 225 #*#. As you can see, calendar info just pops up. You can read the contacts, holidays in Poland, local calendar and other stuff. Let's go back and let's open the Google Play Services mode. So let's use *#, 426 #*#. And Google Play Services just pops up. Here you can select ping, connect, disconnect or events. Let's go back and this time let's open the Debug UI. So let's use *#, 759 #*#. And the Debug UI just pops up. You can view clients IDs, you can change the OEM mode and read other stuff. Let's go back and at the end let me show you how to check the email number by using a secret code. So let's use *#06# and the email number just pops up. You can read this number from the following window. Let's tap OK to close this. So let's go back and now you can use your device in a normal mode. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.